Here's a set of 20 multiple-choice questions about the basics of computers, along with their answers and explanations. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Central Printing Unit. C. Computer Processing Unit. D. Control Processing Unit. Answer. A. Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and managing the operation of other components. Which of the following is an output device? A. Keyboard. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. D. Scanner. Answer. B. Monitor. An output device is used to display or output data from a computer. A monitor displays the visual output. What is the primary function of RAM in a computer? A. Store permanent data. B. Execute arithmetic calculations. C. Temporarily store data for processing. D. Control input and output. Answer. C. Temporarily store data for processing. RAM, random access memory, stores data temporarily and is volatile, meaning the data is lost when the computer is turned off. So what does HTTP stand for? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. B. High Text Transfer Process. C. Hyperlink Text Transmission Protocol. D. Hypertransfer Text Protocol. Answer. A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is used for transferring web pages over the Internet. Which component is responsible for storing data permanently? A. RAM. B. CPU. C. Hard drive. T. Cache. Answer. C. Hard drive. The hard drive is a non-volatile storage device used to store data permanently, even after the computer is turned off. What is the binary number system based on? A. 10 digits. B. 16 digits. C. 2 digits. D. 8 digits. Alright, answer C. 2 digits. The binary system uses only 2 digits, 0 and 1, which are the foundation of computer processing. What is the main function of an operating system? A. Perform calculations. B. Manage computer hardware and software. C. Develop software applications. D. Power the computer. Answer. B. Manage computer hardware and software. The operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware, managing resources and applications. Which of these is not an example of an operating system? A. Windows. B. Linux. C. Microsoft Office. D. macOS. Answer. C. Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is application software, not an operating system. What does bit stand for? A. Binary term. B. Binary digit. C. Bifurcated transmission. D. Basic information transfer. Answer. B. Binary digit. A bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer, represented as 0 or 1. Which part of the computer performs calculations? A. Monitor. B. ALU. C. RAM. D. ROM. Answer. BALU. The arithmetic logic unit, ALU, performs all arithmetic and logic operations in the CPU. What is the full form of URL? A. Uniform Resource Locator. B. Universal Resource Link. C. Universal Relay Link. D. Universal Resource Loader. Answer A. Uniform Resource Locator. A URL specifies the address of a web page or resource on the Internet. Which key is used to delete characters to the left of the cursor? A. Backspace. B. Delete. C. Escape. D. Enter. Answer A. Backspace. The backspace key deletes characters to the left of the cursor, while delete removes those to the right. What does the abbreviation Wi-Fi stand for? Is wireless fidelity. B. Wireless fiber. C. Wide fidelity. D. Wireless frequency. Answer A. Wireless fidelity. Wi-Fi allows devices to connect to the Internet wirelessly. Which memory is permanent and non-volatile? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. Registers. Answer B. ROM. RAM retains data even when the computer is powered off. What does GUI stand for? A. Graphical User Integration. B. Graphical User Interface. C. General User Interface. D. General Use Integration. Answer B. Graphical User Interface. A GUI allows users to interact with computers through visual elements like icons and windows. Which software is used to browse the Internet? A. Microsoft Word. B. Web browser. C. Adobe Reader. D. VLC Media Player. Answer B. Web browser. Web browsers like Chrome, Firefox and Edge are used to access and view websites. What does IP in IP address stand for? A. Internet Protocol. B. Interprocess. C. Internal Program. D. Integrated Protocol. Answer A. Internet Protocol. An IP address is a unique identifier for a device on a network. Which unit is used to measure the speed of a processor? A. Hertz. B. Bits. C. Bytes. D. Pixels. Answer A. Hertz. Processor speed is measured in hertz, BZ, indicating the number of cycles per second. What is the function of a firewall? A. Store data securely. B. Block unauthorized access. C. Perform backup operations. D. Optimize software performance. Answer B. Block unauthorized access. Firewall monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic for security purposes. What is the shortcut key to copy selected text in most operating systems? A. Control X. B. Control C. C. Control V. D. Control Z. Answer B. Control C. Control C is the standard keyboard shortcut to copy selected text or files.